guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's to me, your favorite baby girl, Mix Muhammad, aka Gaskia Anogo. Hey! So guys, on today's topic, guys, I will be reviewing a henna artist in Abuja City. Yo guys, I have no idea what you guys call it in your native language, but in the northern part of Nigeria, some of us call it dais, while some call it lele. So you guys should please comment down below and tell me what you call it in your native language. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to Mary J Black's YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my own YouTube channel. Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show baby girl some love. Please guys, don't forget to drop your ratings down below. It's still your favorite baby girl, Mix Muhammad, aka Gaskia Anogo. Pay. I love you guys. Mwah. This Abuja weather fits my skin. Guys, we are at the artist's house. You guys should please stay tuned and please don't forget to drop your ratings down below. I love you guys.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
Let me show you guys my henna. Guys, that's the end of the video for today. Don't forget to drop your ratings down the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to Mary J Black's YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my own YouTube channel. Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show baby girl some love. So it's still your favorite baby girl, Mix Muhammad, aka Gaskia Anogo Pay. I love you guys. Mwah.